Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code KB50557056 failed to install in Windows 10 computer. So this update released on April 22, 2025, a cumulative update for Windows 10 versions 22H2 that Net Framework 3.5, 4.8, and 4.8.1, and several factors can cause corrupted system files, conflicting software, insufficient days space, pending restart, and misconfigured Windows Update components. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update and network troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type troubleshoot settings, click open. And here at troubleshoots, and then you need to select other troubleshooters and then click. And again here at other troubleshooters, and then you need to select Windows Update, and on right side then you can say this run and then click, and pop up this Windows Update detecting problems. So we will wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed, so this is the result that problems found Windows Update issues. And then if this problem is already fixed, then click yes, but if not, click no. And also you can view the detailed informations about these issues. And then so once you're done here the Windows Update, and we need to close. And the other that we need to modify is the network and internet. And on right side, you can say this run and then click. And we will redirect here at help and support. So all you have to do is to follow the step-by-step procedures and methods to fix this error. Alright, so once you're done here, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to check services. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run and pop up this run and here inbox, and then we need to type this command keyword services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc and then click OK. And then once you open up this services and services local, and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this background intelligent transfer service. So all you have to do is to select and then right click, and then check if it's already running the service, and then you need to right click and select restart. But if the service is not running, so all you have to do is to double click and open properties. So since this services is not running, so all you have to do is to double click, and then here at general properties, startup type, and then you need to select automatic, and you can see the service status and then click and wait to complete the start process, and then click apply and then click OK. Alright, and the other keyword that we need to modify is the Windows Update. So you need to scroll down and select this Windows Update. So same procedures, select and then double click, and then check if the service is already running or not. So since this service is already running, so all you have to do is to select this restart and wait to complete the restart process. Alright, and then after that, then next keyword that we need to modify is the Windows Installer Service. So once you find already this Windows Installer Service, so same procedure, select and then double click, and then check if the service is already running or not. So since the service is not running, so all you have to do is to double click, and then here at general properties, so you can see now this startup type is grayed out. So all you have to do is to only check this service status and then click start and wait to complete the start process, and then click OK. And the last keyword that we need to modify is the cryptographic services. So scroll up and then select this cryptographic service, select and then double click, and then check if the service is already running or not. So since the service is already running, so all you have to do is to select restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after here at services, and we need to close. And then here at the start menu, then we need to restart this PC. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update KB50557056 failed to install in Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.